we bring you US30 live trade signal moves, where the bulls grapple with the bears at higher time frame key zones. Watch how the stronger party launches an attack and takes control at a key zone, rides the moves until momentum wanes, eventually surrendering to its opponent. The opponent then takes charge, bolting in the opposite direction like nobody's business. Now, they both get their share of the juicy pie. But the big question is, who is in for quick scalps and who is in for the long haul? You decide. Let's get started. Here on the hourly chart, we see a series of lower highs and lower lows, where price then bounces off the mid-level of the price gap displayed here. We can expect the market to rally to a premium zone of the latest trading range before making a further downward move. Here on the 5-minute time frame, we get a live buy signal at 16:25 GMT plus 2 on Monday, July 14th, 2025. Moments later, we see the market rallies to the proximal level of the price gap shown here. We then get a pullback and the generation of more buy signals. Let's examine the signal moves and annotate them accordingly. That's a massive 170-point move with a drawdown of 25 points for the live buy signal, delivered right before your naked eyes. Let's get a further update on the buy signal moves after the market closes and reopens on Tuesday, July 15th. The first buy signal that triggered when the bulls took control of the market has offered a staggering 456-point move with zero drawdown. A super dynamite signal worth catching. Our live buy signal now measures whopping 326 points. That is, the signal that triggered live at 16:25, as indicated here. The last buy signal also offered a 109-point move with a drawdown of 19 points. Awesome. Now, as the bears took charge of the higher time frame key zone shown here on Tuesday, we can see 3 sell signals got generated, which we can examine and annotate accordingly. Moments later, a new sell signal triggers at 15:40 following a deep retracement back into the premium zone. What follows is a down thrust that takes out the New York range low after price breaches previous swing highs, including the London range high, triggering 2 additional sell signals along the way. We will now continue to monitor and update the moves of all existing trade signals, as well as those of any new signals that are generated. Stick around until the end to observe how each move plays out for the different phases of the market. The market has now reached a higher time frame key zone after taking out the Asian range low, where we can expect price to react from this significant zone. Switching to the Buy Signals tab, we can see how the bulls have taken control of the market, having triggered multiple buy signals. As usual, let's examine and monitor these signals to obtain the maximum gains, measuring from either the signal bar open or the next bar open. On the hourly chart, you can see how the upward move originated from the mid-level of the price gap seen here, with the market now approaching key structure levels where the bulls have come under threat. We get a further upward move from our marked level, where we can now update the buy signal moves. Note that with a shift in market structure at the higher time frame key zone displayed above, we can now expect the bears to take charge. Switching back to the Bears tab, this is where we left off to explore buy signals. Now, we get a sell signal right within the zone, triggering at 1645. This sell signal has offered a 96-point move so far, with a drawdown of 11 points. Awesome. Moments later, we get a massive down thrust, where you can see the sell signal now stands at a massive 286 points with a drawdown of 28 points. We get a further downward move from our last marked level shown here. Our powerful sell signal that emerged from the key zone now measures a staggering 369 points, having again reached key structure levels. Simply epic. Now, be sure to check out our channel pages for more videos, where you'll gain further insights into the phenomenal indicator being utilized. You will find live chart videos on other markets showcasing scalping, day, and swing trading strategies. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, give it a like, comment, share with others, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos and the upcoming free TTAC live sessions. See you in the next one.